Let us solve this example 2 on factorization method, like this quadratic equation using factorization method. How can we solve this equation again? Remember that in my previous video, the equation I solved in my previous video, the leading coefficient was 1. I remember that I've explained earlier that in quadratic equation, the exponent or power of the variable, like the leading variable, must be 2. Now, how can we solve this equation? Looking at this equation, 10 times 2 are the product, as I've told you earlier. Anytime you want to solve this kind of equation, you can choose to write it somewhere, like close to the place you're solving. Sum, product, and factor. Now, what is the sum here? As I told you earlier, that the sum is the coefficient in the linear coefficient, which is this is the linear coefficient, and the linear coefficient in this equation is -9. And the product, and we have explained earlier that the product is to multiply the constant by the leading coefficient, and the leading coefficient here is 2. Now the product of 10 times 2 will give you 20. Now, how can I get the factor? I said earlier that you should look for two numbers that when you multiply will give you 20, and when you add will give you -9. What are those two numbers? Let me see. It should be -5 and 4. -5 and -4. Because -5 times -4 will give us 20. -5 plus -4 will give us -9. Means we are correct. Means that we have 2s squared minus 5s minus 4s plus 10 is equals to 0. Remember, I said that you put the factor in place of 9 minus 9s or any value you have here in this linear coefficient axis. Now, we go by grouping. Sorry. Now, what is common here? What is common here is x is common. 1x into 2s minus 5. What is common here? What can divide 4 and also divide plus 10? What can divide 4 here is, and 10 is -2. -2 into -4s will give us 2s. -2 into -10 into plus 10 will give us -5, which is equal to 0. Someone might ask me that, how did I divide, use minus to divide 4 and it gave me plus? It's just simple thing, like when you have -4 divide -2. This will cancel this. 4 here, 2 here, 1, 2 here, 2. Now we are done with the grouping. Now you can see that, as I explained earlier in the previous video, that these two brackets must be the same. You can see that they are the same. 2s minus 5, 2s minus 5. Now, s minus 2 is equals to 0, or 2s minus 5 is equals to 0. Is equals to 0. Now we go again. S is equals to 2, or 2s is equals to 5. Now we have not gotten s in this second in this second place, second value. We are looking, what we are looking for is s, not 2s. It means that you divide both sides by 2. S, okay, 2s minus 5 is equals to 5 divided by 2 divided by 2. These two will cancel these two. S will be equals to 5 over 2. This is our answer. You can leave your answer like this. You can also leave your answer in this fraction. You can also leave your answer in decimal point. Thanks for watching this video. Please do well to like, comment and share. Just support me. Just support me by liking my video and sharing for others, so others will learn also. Don't learn this video alone. Bye.